Alright, here's our lineup. Here's the lineup. We're gonna do olive oil, some pepper, cayenne, salt, cumin, turmeric, curry, coriander, cinnamon. And we've got garlic, clove, and some lemon. Alright, let's get it started. So first we gotta start off with a half cup of oil. I always like to just use regular olive oil. We're gonna take the lemon and juice the entire thing, and obviously grab those little seeds out if any fall in. And then just run it down the line. It's gonna be a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of cumin, and a teaspoon of coriander. And the black pepper and the turmeric are both half teaspoons. And then the cinnamon and the cayenne pepper are quarter teaspoons. Just gonna mix that whole entire thing up after you're done adding all the ingredients. And pretty much that's really it. You're gonna take the garlic, and you can just throw the cloves in if you want. You can dice them up. I decided to put them in the microwave just for like 10 seconds with a little pat of butter, so they can just get a little bit soft, and it'll allow the flavor to spread a little bit. So I dice them all up, put it back in there with a little bit more butter, get them nice and soft, and then go ahead and throw it into the mix after I dice it up a little bit more. And then, yeah, and take this. I'm gonna go ahead and get the chicken out. And I'm just gonna perforate the chicken, just kind of staggered little holes so that it leaves some place for the seasoning to penetrate through. Put it into a plastic bag. So you can either throw that in the freezer for just not very long, 5 minutes, or in the fridge for 10-15 minutes. I put it inside the measuring cup just to keep all the juices completely surrounding the chicken, totally submerged. And you got shawarma. That's it. While the chicken's cooking, you can get your rice ready and obviously add veggies, but I was in a hurry, so I just threw this together. It's a 45-minute shawarma. Let's go.